Both physics and engineering include knowledge of how heat energy changes into mechanical movement. Using common materials and thermal energy, we construct a basic steam power boat. To examine the concept of this project, inspired by historical steam propulsion systems. Our design highlights key concepts include heat transfer, the heat of transformation, and Newton's third law of motion. When water is heated in a closed container, it becomes steam by changing state. This change stores energy which may be released as mechanical movement as steam dives water by an outlet. This mechanism shows how energy can be efficiently transferred and converted inside physical systems. Furthermore, stress the practical developments of thermodynamics and classical mechanics in application including motors and propulsion systems. By means of this initiative, we hope to delve more truly into the forces guiding motion and investigate the physics at work. Now with the analysis. What is heat? Heat is a temperature difference causes heat, a kind of energy transferred from one body to another, from hot objects to cold ones. It goes until thermal equilibrium is attained. What is heat of transformation? Heat of transformation is the energy needed to shift a material from one phase to another, example, from liquid to gas, without altering its temperature. It refers to the heat necessary to change water into steam in our initiative. Now, 3. For what reason does the boat advance? Heating the water in the boiler causes it to become steam as well. These steams force water out via the rear of the boat tubes. Newton's third law says, for every action is an equal and opposite reaction. This backward push of water propels the boat forward. Pressure and thermal growth also have important roles in this network.
Material diagram. Materials employed: little aluminum cans for boiler use, burning alcohol or candle like this, PVC tubing, base plastic or lightweight foam for the boat, tape and glue, construction stage. Used a boiler, a little aluminum can we affixed horizontally and boat base. They can include two plastic tubes that protruded outside the boat. Water was added to fill up the boilers and tubes. Under the cannon carrel was utilized to warm the water. Steam pressure propelled the boat ahead as the water boiled by forcing water through the boat.
Reflection. This project illustrates how simple physical ideas may be used to turn thermal energy to mechanical movement. For water propulsion was achieved when steam produced by heating water within a tiny boiler drove water out truck tubing. This model have used to see actual application of heat transfer, steam pressure, and Newton's law of motion as it reproduces the behavior of early steam power boats. Additionally, examine was the idea of heat of transformation, especially how water absorbs energy to become steam. Steam pushing water back generates a reactive force that propels the boat. Through these hands-on experiment, we come to grasp how fluid dynamics and energy conversion interact in real engineering projects. Is present a creative and investing view of physical ideas, including heat, pressure, pitch change, action, reaction, and force in general.